Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will work on rendering the photos. So inside firebase.js, we need to create a function which is going to be getPhotos. So let's go to Firebase and here I'll say export async function getPhotos, and here we need to pass a user ID and following. Okay. And inside the function, I'll take a const result that is equal to await Firebase dot Firestore dot collection of, this time it's going to be photos, collection of photos, where okay, where user ID in okay following. So we need to look for the user ID which I'm following. Okay, so and then we'll get the results. So here we need to pass the get function. Okay, and here I'll take a const with the variable called user followed photos equals to result dot docs dot map. We are going to map the photo. So here we need to use a spread operator dot photo dot data, and then we need a doc ID that is going to be photo dot ID. Okay, let's save this, and here I'll take one more const with the name photos with user details. So photos with user details equals to await promise dot all. Here we need to say user followed photos. Okay, so here we need to take this variable. So user followed photos dot map. We are going to map async photo, and let's take a variable let user liked photo equals to false. And here we need to take a condition if photo dot likes dot include user ID. If it includes user ID, then user like photo, which will be true. Okay, and here I'll take a const user equals to await get user by user ID, and here I'm going to pass the photo dot user ID. Okay, and let's say const where I'll say user name that is equal to the first user. Okay, so here I'll take an array which is going to be the first user. Then let's return username and spread operator photos. Then we need user liked photo, and lastly we need to return photo with user details. Okay, let me save this. So this is the function which we need to create, and let's go to timeline.js, and we need to use that function here. So I'll say import use photo from hooks use photos. Okay, and here we need, okay, so here I have already added a comment. So here I'll say const photo equals to use photo. Okay, let me save this, and now inside use photos, first let's see, are we getting the photos or not? Get photos is not defined. Let me refresh. Let's go back. I think here we need to import the get photos, right? So let me import get photos from services Firebase. Let me save this. Let's go back and let me inspect. Are we getting the photos or not? Sorry, we are getting the user ID, correct? Because we have console the user ID. Now we need to run this function which is called get timeline photos. So here let me copy. Let's remove this, paste it here, save this. Okay, cannot read property and define length. Let's go back. I think this should be an array because we are getting following as an inside an array. So let me save this, go back. Okay, now the error has gone. Let me refresh it again. So we are not getting any error, but let me just console the photos. So here we can just console log photos. Let's save this, go back, inspect. No, I think this is not the right place to console. Let me save this. Okay, so we don't have to console here. Let me just remove this, save this, and let's go to use photos.js and where we need to console. So basically in the Firebase.js, here we need this. So I'll just console. We need to log this. So console log use followed photos, and let me just save this and let's go back in the browser. Let's inspect, and now let's see if we are getting the photos or not. So array 0, okay, no problem. Let me just refresh it again. So it is empty. Let's go back to Firestore. So now the user which I'm following is I think Daniel. So Daniel user ID is 3, but in photos the user ID is 2. Okay, so the user ID is 2 for all the photos. We have user ID as 2, so we need to follow. So whose user ID is 2? Let's see that. So Carlos user ID is 2, so we need to follow Carlos so we can get the photos because only Carlos is having the photos. So here as you can see I'm following 3, but I need to follow 2. So let's go back and let me just follow Carlos. And now if I go here, now I'm following Carlos and all the user ID are of Carlos. So now if I refresh this, so I'll definitely get the photos. As you can see, we have the 5 photos. Okay, so this all the photos belongs to Carlos, but I was following Daniel, which was not having any photos. So we are getting all the photos here. So let's keep this video till this much only because now it is getting more lengthy. So this is it for this video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.